Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to cook prime rib roast in the oven. First, select a high-quality prime rib, preferably bone-in, weighing between 4 and 7 pounds. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for a good crust. Then, generously season all sides with coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and garlic powder. You can also add fresh rosemary or thyme for extra aroma. This preparation sets the stage for a delicious roast. Next, we'll start with a high-heat sear. Preheat your oven to a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your seasoned prime rib, fat side up, on a roasting rack in a pan. Roast it at this high temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. This initial blast of heat creates a beautiful, caramelized crust on the outside, locking in all those wonderful juices. It's a key step for maximum flavor. After the initial sear, reduce your oven temperature significantly to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting until the internal temperature reaches your desired doneness. For medium rare, aim for 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a reliable meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the roast, avoiding bones. This slow roasting ensures even cooking and a tender interior. Finally, the resting period is absolutely critical for a perfect prime rib. Remove the roast from the oven when it's about 5 to 10 degrees below your target temperature. Transfer it to a cutting board and tent it loosely with foil. Let it rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every slice is incredibly tender and moist. Then, carve against the grain and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.